The ground has stopped shaking, but the questions haven't. Crack lines the walls, desks are buried in dust, and fear still lingers the halls of Cebu School. Resuming the classes immediately supports the majority of students. It keeps their academic timeline on track and protects their career opportunities and avoids further economic strain on families and school. And but on the other hand, allowing face-to-face classes in buildings that may not be fully safe puts some individuals at risk of serious harm or death. Exposing anyone to unacceptable risk violates the ethical responsibility of the institution to ensure safety first. So I think prioritizing the career success of the student majority does not morally outweigh risk to even a few lives because economic and career goals can be delayed or recovered. A loss of life cannot. So the protection of every individual's safety remains the highest moral obligation even when the majority interests are at stake.